voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
The Samsung Galaxy A81 is part of Samsung's A series lineup for 2020, and is the successor of the Galaxy A80, which made its debut in April 2019. The device sports a 6.7-inch notchless Super AMOLED display offering a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. Recently, leaks revealed Galaxy A81's cases, which confirms the square camera module with 4 cameras and a flash at the back. We don't know the confirmed specifications yet, but the rumored specs shows that the Galaxy A81 is driven by its Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset and packs 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The motorized pop-up flip camera makes a comeback with a 48MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra-wide shooter, along with a TOF 3D camera. The battery is a juicy 4000 mAh and it supports 30-watt fast charging. Some of the popular Samsung mobiles include the Samsung Galaxy A70s and the Samsung Galaxy A11. There is a sharp pixel density of 387 ppi for the display. The Corning Gorilla Glass protects the screen from scratches and marks. And that's it for today. See you in the next one, and before leaving, subscribe if you are interested in tech leaks. See you soon.